We are cracking the bird turds. With other bird turds.
Bird turd must die.
I'm gonna eat a bird turd. See this bird turd? I'm gonna eat it.
See that? That is what you get for eating a bird turd. There's a spinning bird turd. Oh, be quiet. Eat those bird turds, ma'am. Here's a spinning half of a bird turd. Give me a bird turd. Give me a bird turd. Okay. Watch as this bird turd spins. It's gonna be awesome, yo. Awesome. Watch. Watch my bird turd, okay? I'm gonna feed you some bird turds after this.
Here, spin this one.
Oh yeah, look at it, look at it. We have a new contestant. Contestant. Oh yeah. We have two more. We have one. One is in the middle. It's still going.
See this bird turd? See this bird turd? Look up. Look this way.
Catch it. I got it.
You are out. See this bird turd? See this bird turd right here?
Watch this. Okay, hold up. So who's gonna eat that bird turd? Look at that dude. Eat that bird turd.
No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check that out. Check this out.
I did that too. Okay, going back to her.
No more bird turds.
Look at our bird turd package.
Extra bird turds. Just for your convenience. Give it. Yummy inside.
Bird turds are yummy. Somebody eat the rest of the bird turds.
No, we don't have no tongue all over it.
No, I didn't. And there it goes, people, in the garbage.
See, that's what happens when you have leftover bird turds.
Or leftover birds. Either one. Watch this. Ha! I knocked your bird turd out of place. Oh, we have a succession. We got another one. He bounced off the wall. There we go, people. In 3, 2, 1, go! Wait, look at that bird turd right here. Come on, look at the balls. Look at that one. Look at that one. Whichever one stops first loses. That's Alex's. I won.
No, that was yours.
That's mine because I spawned this one. Yeah, that's hers because it hit there. I spawned this one.